Gotti boy going through the beach. Can't even see him. He's hiding his face. Gotti's first time at the beach. You like the beach, Gotti? He's just sniffing the sand. You can dig in this all you want, Gotti. No problemo. But you see where that blue sign is down there? Mm-hmm. That's where you can't take the dogs past. Gotti boy, you gonna go to the ocean? Look at those people out there with their dog. Come see what this water is, Gotti. What's the water, Gotti? He's like, I don't know about this. Woo! He's scared of it.
Can I go in the water? I could go in.
You can take your shoes off and get in. We didn't bring no towels though. Gotti boy, you scared? He gets scared when it comes for him. What that water, Gotti? Gotti boy. Watch out, thing. He'll tangle you up. His protective mode makes him going. He gonna have a nose full of sand by the time we leave. From the ocean. Gotti, you feel free? Oh, he peed again. Where's he going? Gotti boy.
Come here. Could kill a dog at this area if you're vicious.
Yeah.